Okay, we're going in.
Yeah, let's go.
I feel so dirty doing this. Rachel, are you gonna spit your gum out? You're like, no, I want it. I'll give you another piece. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel in Seattle, Washington. I am experiencing something unique here on the West Coast. Rain, definitely not in Southern California anymore. This is my first time ever in the Pacific Northwest, and I am walking in the neighborhood of Fremont over to Kerry Park. I am staying with my good friend Rachel for 2 weeks here in Seattle. She just moved here, and I'm excited for her to show me around. She's not with me right now because she is working, and I'm exploring on my own a little bit. I took the day off. So let's look at a nice view of the Seattle skyline. Seattle is very hilly. I'm getting my morning workout over here. Jeez, I wasn't warned about this. Oh, a smoothie shop. I know I'm not in LA anymore, but I gotta stop. All right, got my smoothie in the neighborhood of Queen Anne, and now I'm approaching Kerry Park for some nice skyline views. Let's see what Seattle looks like. Oh, yes. Wow. Look at this view of the Seattle skyline. Honestly, what even is a Space Needle though? Nice park over here to relax and hang out and get some nice views of the skyline. The Seattle skyline is amazing, and I am so ready to explore this city and see everything it has to offer. Rachel has joined me. Where are we going next?
Discovery Park.
Discovery Park. Let's go. All right, we're out here walking to Discovery Park, to the beach. You can park in Discovery Park, so you have to pass all these abandoned places. It's about a half-hour walk to the lighthouse. I'm excited to see it. Definitely smells like a beach.
Look at that bird.
All right, we're having a drone photo shoot over here. This is the most, where is it? There it is. This is the most high-tech photo shoot you can get. I can't. Who needs a photographer? Here, let's go look this way.
We'll go dramatic.
Or dramatic look. And that is how you take a photo shoot. And for some biking and skating or paddleboarding and kayaking, you gotta come check out Green Lake. Friends over here. It's Bertha and Rob. Why am I like this? Oh, Rachel. is Seattle like known for fish? Was eating salmon and stuff?
Well, yeah, Seattle is surrounded by water, so I think that would make sense, right?
And this place is good?
Yeah, this place actually has an award-winning salmon chowder. So just definitely check it out.
Look at this view. What is the Space Needle?
The Space Needle is a tourist trap here that is not worth going to.
Okay, so we're not gonna go to the Space Needle. It's like the Empire State Building, just avoid it at all costs. Alright, they don't got that salmon chowder, but they do got that clam chowder tonight. Fish and chips. On our park tour, we're now at Lake Washington. We out here, first time paddleboarding for me. I'm a little nervous. Ah! I need a life jacket. Honestly, I kind of have a fear of deep water, and usually I can kayak and be totally fine, but now I'm on a paddleboard with no side production over here, so I'm freaking out just a little bit, but we're gonna do it. This is what travel's all about. We're drifting further and further away. We are at Golden Gardens Park. Rachel is now a native here in Seattle and showing me all the good spots. I think this is my favorite so far. So beautiful.
Nice views.
And this is apparently a very good beach in Seattle, right? Seattle doesn't have many beaches, so this is where you might come. It started to thunder over here, so hopefully we don't get caught in that Seattle rain.
No.
All right, now it's
Salad.
actually raining. I'm trying to eat here. Does it always rain like this in Seattle?
Not in the summer.
Of course, once we come to the beach, it rains. Quite the Seattle experience, Rachel. I can tell you one thing, this probably wouldn't happen in LA. We got Rachel just living her best life in this cocoon right here. And then this thing, if it snaps, I'm going down. Let's see what all this hammock hype is about. I feel like a bug.
I'm not ready.
We got Mike's first time paddleboarding and my second time. Oh, this water is freezing. The water is literally the coldest I've ever experienced. So if we fall in, it's gonna be like the Titanic.
Is this? And what's the other position?
Yeah, just like that.
Is this the only one?
All right, off we go. Look at you. You're a pro already.
Hello. Reporting live from Golden Gardens.
Rachel's funny.
Can I be your co-anchor, Michael?
You already are my co-anchor. Co-host. My most fun
Co-host.
friends, Loki. I love all my friends equally. But Rachel, come on. We go skydiving together, paddleboarding.
Yes.
Let's get some pics. Out here at sunset at Gasworks Park. Getting some good sunset pics. Rachel. This is where you come for the best views of the Seattle skyline. Nothing better than watching the sunset with your best friends.
That's west. That's east. East, my home. Over there.